I used to work for the vice president. I was writing her speeches. But then when people knew, especially those who don't agree with my opinions, knew that I was working for the vice president, they did everything to actually kick me out of the office. So may mga taga-Palas po na nag-contact para tanggalin ako. They did their very best actually to really kick me out of the office. But as you can see, I still continue to write. And it's not because of VP Sara alone. It's because I know that there are many Filipinos out there who also need voices. That's why, ma'am, we continue to write whatever it takes. And now, just last year, I received a case was filed against me by a Marcos Romualdez supporter. Ground, cyber libel, dismissed due to lack of probable cause. Kasi alam nila na yung mga sinusulat ko talaga, hindi libelous, and they are just trying their very best talaga to put me down because I'm speaking on behalf of the Filipino people. So ito rin yung masasabi ko sa inyo na we are also parang getting strength from all of you, our supporters, our readers, because without you guys, it would be hard to explain things out and disseminate information for Filipinos to be awakened and to know the truth. Okay? So yan lang, laban lang tayo at hindi tayo magpapatalo sa mga buhaya sa House of Representatives.